Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our weekly recap. If you are not part of this channel, or if you are still new to this YouTube channel, please don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. Né? So what are we expecting this week? I think we're still gonna have some very crazy week. Last week it was also crazy. It was like seriously crazy. From economic side, I hope maybe you did so that we did have some serious economic news. But on Friday, that was NFP and it was positive. Actually, that makes the dollar to be quite stronger. Do you see that? So now on the economic calendar for this week, let's see what are we expecting. But it's gonna be crazy also. But we need to stay safe. So we did have some very nice profits here and there, and we also had some rejections, which actually at the end of the day they might end up to some losses. But what I like is we did not really jump straight to that NFP. We did not really jump straight to that, which is good. But we were just waiting for the market to reverse so that we can jump straight to that. So, you know what? We still have that package. You know what? I thought I saw that so many people still want this special. So I will be keeping this until month end. So if you want to be part of the team, just let me know. You can join our limited special. For those who don't know, our actual prices are this one. Check there on the screen. Those are our actual prices. You can see that lifetime it's actually $250. 12 months is $150. 6 months it's $80. But now you're getting $60 unlimited, like lifetime signals for $60. So let me know if you want to be part of the team. So now when we jump back straight to our economic calendar, we can easily see that on Monday, which is tomorrow, we don't really have much. There is nothing. You can see that. So Tuesday, nothing much. But from Wednesday, we're going to have core CPI, or let's say CPI. We're going to have interest rates later around that, the same day, by the way. So this is going to be interesting. But when we check the forecast, they say CPI might actually go a little bit lower. And it's something that we want because we want them to cut the rates. And the forecast here, let me just put this into a silent mode, man. Hey, so many messages. So you can see that they estimate that they actually leave the rates unchanged. This is not going to be good at all. If they leave them like that, that is not going to be nice. But let's hope that they're going to cut. And if they cut, this is going to be a very good thing because it's going to be not the same as the expectation. So this is going to be a sort of a surprise if they cut, and that is going to be good. So we can see maybe the market trying to recover. But if maybe they leave that like that, yeah, then it's going to be something else. We are going to see the Nasdaq or other ones selling. We already saw a gold, it was selling. So when we go, we can easily see that on Thursday we have unemployment change from Australia, core PPI from US. Thursday is also going to be very important for us, especially for US PPI. On Friday we have interest rates from Japan, but Japan mostly they don't really specify their time, so it's difficult to know. We just know the day but not the time, right? So the most important thing is going to be FOMC and CPI, and also core PPI here on Thursday. But this week is also going to be very, 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 very important. So you have to check that, guys. You have to actually follow your economic calendars just to understand. I think we're going to talk about them maybe Tuesday or maybe tomorrow. I will just do a specific video about that, the moves that we expect from that. So now we are on DXY. Without taking much longer, we can see that the market is still consolidating. The market is still consolidating. Yes, we can easily see that we are coming from a very nice uptrend. We've been here for quite some time now, maybe for 2 weeks. The market has been just consolidating around the same level. Do you see that? Do you see that? And this shows us that now with this aggressive bullish move there, because of NFP, we see that the market still respected our support area. So it means that even if you did not really know much, but we were going to get this nice support area. But the question is, are we going to get the breakout here? Because if we get that, it will show us that, you know what, the dollar is quite stronger. Because where it is now, it's where it's been for quite some time, because the market has been around the same level. So I'm expecting maybe to see something here. I am expecting maybe to see the market respect this area, as we saw a nice respect also this area. And at the moment, we expect it to be on a downtrend, but it seems like it is struggling. It is struggling to push lower. We see a nice push, but never broke out of that level. So this shows us that, you know what, let's be extra safe. The dollar, it's back. And if they don't cut the rates, this is going to just fly. But we are controlled by the market structures and also fundamentals. We will see what will happen. So today I also added AUD USD just for us to see. So AUD USD, we can easily see that we are actually on a very nice uptrend. The market is actually uptrending, but it seems like there is not going to be a point any anytime. You can see a nice support there. We also have a nice diagonal structure there, but it seems like the market just broke out of that. I was expecting to have a nice buy there. We had a buy pending order there, but it seems like the market is no longer respecting that. So this is a breakout. So the question is, are we going to get a nice retest or maybe any other structure before we jump on that sell? So it's up to the market. And when we check the calendar, we have, I think it's unemployment change, or for Australia, I think it's Tuesday or Wednesday. So this is going to be interesting. This is going to be interesting. So we will see what will happen here. But what we see there, it's actually a breakout, which means the market is trying to show us that, you know what, guys, I'm going down. So I'm not, the dollar is getting stronger again from this level to break in this area. Then what else? I think we're going to see a nice continuation. But it's up to the market. We know how the market does its things. The market might go down so that it can give us a room to go up if they will be cutting the rates. But the estimate says we're not going to see that. The estimate says we're not going to get those cuts. But it's up to it's up to Federal Reserve. We'll see. But I think it was like predictable. We saw some of the stuff going positive. We saw NFP also positive. That is a different story, because that will delay them to cut the rates. And if they don't really cut the rates, it will depend. So what's next? What will happen next? Are they going to delay or maybe cut around September or going further? It's up to them. They will tell us. So, guys, my recommended broker, because there are so many people who actually ask me about the broker, it's actually EXNESS. I will place the link on my description or on my comment section. For those who want to talk to me, I will also place my WhatsApp link, so that once you click that, you will just go straight to my WhatsApp. So EXNESS is my recommended broker. It's not this video is not even sponsored by them, but I know it's a very good broker. So USD JPY, what's really happening? Still on a very nice uptrend structure. The market is still going up, but don't expect it to move perfectly. You can see that it's going up. As long as it's going up, that's fine. That's actually very good. So what we see here is the market just respected our support area, and we see that the market is now going even higher. And I think it was also obvious, little bit obvious, because the market was just playing around the support area before NFP. Guess what? NFP came and we saw some very nice push to the upside. I did not really take anything, to be honest. I did not jump on that, so I did not really eat much on that. So yeah, but the structure is still there, and it makes sense. It makes sense that the market respected our support area. And mostly I used to tell my students that actually in the mentorship that, you know what, mostly the market will end up respecting our support, or let's say the trend at the end of the day. You see, mostly they support our trend. Sometimes, yes, it will break here and there if maybe that actually the news that we received, they actually connect very well maybe with the interest rates, because now we have this expectation that if NFP is still going up, we expect interest rates to still stay where they are, and that is the ripple effect, but not exactly NFP, you see. because of interest rates. They are going to stay higher for longer. But what we see here is the market did respect the support area, so we expect the market to continue to go up. At the moment, we can't say we have any structure that we can try to follow. Remember, this is not my trade setup. It's a weekly recap, what happened and what might happen. So on GBP/USD, I've been talking about this area. Now we are on this nice working uptrend structure, and we need to focus on that, right? At the moment, we saw the market melting very nice because the dollar, it was quite stronger. So we had a buy pending order. We expected the market to go even higher, but it seems like the market, it is still dropping. But here it's fine because the market did not really break the support, but I'm expecting a nice bounce. Maybe Monday, everyone will be thinking different, then people, they will be thinking about buying, because at the moment we are on a very stronger support, and that is still actually something that keeps us to think about buying. But if the market breaks out, if the market thinks about breaking out, it means that we will be starting to think about selling. But we can conclude that we can see that this is not a pure breakout, so we expect the market to do what, to go even higher. I think this is the nice structure that we have at the moment. The other ones, they are not good. And also EURUSD. Sorry. Yeah, it was a very hectic week. But yeah, we have to live through these hectic weeks. So this is part of your experience. If the market was just going up and down aggressively, you're losing here and there, just know that you are growing. Or we can call that part of it, experience, right? So not sometimes things, they will be hard. Sometimes things will be hard. You will think maybe the market is watching you. You're trying to break through all these life problems and stuff, but the market just punched you in the face. So please don't give up. Don't give up. Things will happen one day. Just wake up and just do and the same thing. Try to change here and there, and one way or another, you're gonna get it right. You see. You might get it right in a different way, different time. So your time is not going to be someone's time. Some people, they just make it very quick. Some, they take time. So you are not someone else. You are you. So stick on your own lane. Try not to copy everyone and relax. So now on EURUSD, we can easily see that, yes, the market is coming from this nice downtrend structure. And now we are on this consolidation. We are still on this consolidation. We are still actually focusing on that bullish move. So now the market did reverse very nice, and we see that the market is actually on a support area. So the question is, will the market respect this and continue to go to the upside? Yeah, that is possible, but we have to wait for the market to show us that. If it's going to respect this area, I think we will see some reversals, and we're gonna have some very nice bullish or buys. You can see we already have a pending order, so which means we expect to see a very nice push, as we are no longer on that downtrend structure. I hope it makes sense. I hope it makes sense. Gold, precious metal, what's really happening? If you are new to this channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. Yeah, like, share with your friends. And for those who wants to be part of the team, you can just let me know, WhatsApp me or Telegram me. We pushing this special $60 up to next and up to month end, and you saving because these are the actual prices. These are the actual prices, but you are going to pay that one that you see there. So now on gold, yeah, we have some serious reversal, but this reversal came even before NFP. So we had this reversal before even NFP. NFP just came, then it just accelerated that move. But at the moment, you can easily see that I've been preaching about downtrend structure. I hope maybe you understood that. I've been saying, guys, the market just broke out. I've been looking for sell. Even here, we had a sell pending order, but the market did push up. And once we are out of that, then the market actually kept pushing even lower. But one of my brothers said, Kenzo, I smashed gold, but I missed that. I missed that because I was out of the charts. I was trying to calm down because, hey, things were hot on Friday. But that is part of the team. We all go through that, but we end up eating very nice. So here, guys, I think it's just a continuation of that downtrend structure. I don't really see beside this move here, there's no confusion. This is something that it's actually confusing you or making this structure not to look nice. But if you check nicely, this was just a continuation, just a breakout that we were talking about there, and we expect a continuation of that sell. Or maybe we can try this. Maybe the market was just retesting where it broke out before. Let's see this area, and okay, you see that. You see, now we're talking. So I think the market was just retesting exactly around that level. But yes, we can't just rule this one out. That also made sense there. That was also making sense. So it means this is actually another continuation of that sell. So there is nothing that we can do. So we'll just wait and see, because we did not really jump on this. So we'll see if maybe we are going to have a nice continuation or not. But maybe a smaller reversal can give us a clue what will happen. Maybe at the end of the day, we might have something like that as a downtrend structure. Around this level here, we actually wanted to have a nice pending order, but the market kept going down, which means we were wrong on that one. So sometimes we can be wrong. Sometimes we can be wrong, and there's nothing wrong with that. So we can't always be right? So US30, what's really happening on a very nice structure. We can call this a nice downtrend. Not really in a very nice one, because we are coming from a very aggressive bullish move. You can see that the market was going up very nice. The market was going up. We had this breakout. But now it seems like the market wants to continue going up. But what I like about this structure here is the market did not really care much about that NFP, because you can see that NFP just gave us this and we had a reversal. I think we had a buy pending order going further there. But even though the market reversed, we can easily see that it seems like the market wants to push to the upside again. We saw some aggressive sell on currency pairs, but not here. And that should tell you something. It means that the stock market is quite stronger. So NFP needs to be extra stronger to see those sell-offs. But on the bottom side here, I think I start to see something like that, and we need to mark that. And this seems to be an adjustment. If the market keeps going up again, it means that the market it's not a fake breakout, but the market was just reversing. Out of that bigger move, we had a bigger aggressive bullish move, and that might mean that maybe the market was just trying to cancel this before we had a proper bullish move. But we will see. This week we will see what will happen, especially after CPI and NFP. That will give us a better picture. What are we expecting? Are we expecting higher interest rates for longer? Or maybe are they going to cut the rates, or inflation is still higher on the CPI side? Then that is going to direct us. And from those decisions, we are going to combine our technical analysis and our fundamentals. So for those who want to learn from me, we have 350 mentorship. It's actually 6 months, 3 months a theory part where you learn all these strategies, and 3 months practicals, which means it's actually 6 months for those who want to learn, and if you want to stay in this game longer. So let's push to the next one, which is Nasdaq. Nasdaq also gave us some very stronger move. Yes, we did have some reversal during that NFP, but the overall structure, you can easily see that that support area is still very strong. We can see that the market is still aggressively pushed to the upside. We have some reversal, and the market is giving us some new highs. But what do we have at the moment? We saw the market trying to retest from our previous structure. Do you see that? So we have this nice retest. On top there, we can mark that as a nice resistance. So the question is, are we going to continue going higher, or maybe the market will just play around here? But what I like is, I thought maybe just because NFP is stronger, maybe we'll see that aggressive sell up to this point. But nope, it shows us that, you know what, those companies, those Nvidia's, Amazon, Microsoft, they are quite stronger at the moment, and that positive from NFP did not really make any huge or bigger difference. So this week we are going to expect to see what will happen with CPI or maybe interest rates. It's gonna be fun, right? So we'll see if maybe the market will be continuing going higher, or maybe we're gonna have some reversals. Maybe the market will reach our support area, It's up to the market. It's up to the market. We will see. We will see. But at the moment, we don't really have any decision. But what we know is we are still on that nice uptrend. That's what we have at the moment. So now what's really happening on S&P 500, quite similar to Nasdaq. We can easily see that the market is still going up or going on that uptrend structure. So this is what we expect. So here, this reversal, it might still have a support here and continue to the upside. Or maybe we might see a nice reversal up to that support area. But we are still on that uptrend structure, which means we still expect to see the market push into the upside. So it's up to the market to break this resistance or maybe to play around here. We will play it safe around this level before we get a proper direction. But at the moment, we know that we are on an uptrend. Unless if maybe the market touches this support area and tries to break out, that is going to be a different story. That will be a different story. But anyways, let's push to US oil, YTI. What's really happening? We can easily see that the market is doing some very nice moves here. We are on a very nice downtrend structure. We can see that we are coming from that nice uptrend. We started with this downtrend, and I've been preaching about this downtrend, and we're supposed to look for sell positions on this. So you can see that the market is going to move like that, and we had this aggressive sell. So now the market reached this previous support. Now it's going to be our resistance. I'm expecting something like that to continue like that. That's what I see at the moment. But anyways, guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. So for those who wants to be part of our team, that is the special that we have there. And these are our normal prices. This is the special. This is the normal price. Just check the normal prices. And I'm willing to keep this special for another month. So which means until month end for those who want to be part of the team. But it's limited, guys. It's limited, which means just because I'm saying until month end. So I can still change that anytime. So which means if you want to be part of the team at the moment, you can still ask me and say, Kenzo, the special is still on. As long as I'm still showing it there, it means at the moment it's still very on. But I can change even tomorrow or next week or whatever. So, but anyways, thank you very much, guys. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. I will see you tomorrow. Please don't over risk. Have a trading plan and let's stick to that. This year, one way or another, we're going to make it. Yeah, you should say that to yourself. Just say, this year we're going to make it. Or this year you're going to make it. And from there, you have to have some plan. And you can take it from there. Bye.